Buhari with the ministers. Useless set of people. People will not get vision, will not get plan. And now they are still trying again to bring another idiot. Somebody like, as in fact, Tinubu is handicapped. So that when they put Tinubu again, they'll do all the same thing that they did with Buhari government. It's only a mad person that will vote for APC, even PDP.
People are saying that Tinubu, the way he built Lagos, at least...
Tinubu built Lagos. Yeah. As an architect, how does he build Lagos? He built Lagos.
The way he restructure Lagos.
What did he restructure for Lagos? Eh? That he enters as a governor. Then somebody take over from him, another person take over from him, he begin claim all the glory. What did he restructure for Lagos?
Yeah, Lagos was not like that before.
When they go abroad, go for America, since he built Lagos. So he built Lagos and he did not build a good health center for Lagos. That him himself will go. And he go for abroad and he build Lagos. He not build any Lagos and he cannot build Lagos.
So who be that person now where you say...
And even assume that Tinubu did work in Lagos, for instance. At what age? Then you now come back in this age now, you won't come and rule Nigeria. Where you don't already old finish. How much strength you want to build Nigeria? So
you are saying that Tinubu no be Anna?
We know they run a village affair here, where the oldest man will be elder for village. Nigeria is too big for old man to rule.
So who they competent, sir?
Napi to be.
Napi to be the chick.
They don't negotiate them.
You get a PVC?
Yes, sir.
So you vote P2B, sir?
Take transport from here, go my village. Go there, go vote. Now they are.
Your village, your polling unit, this.
Yes, sir.
Where your village?
Delta State. Wow. And they go there straight, go vote. And we'll vote and we'll defend that vote. If we win and we hear nonsense, then go hear and hot. Any 25 we'll give them.
So what thing you go advise Nigeria now, sir?
What do you want to advise Nigeria?
No, which last one where you...
Hunger have already advised Nigeria what to do.
Like if I tell you to make you encourage your fellow Nigerians now to, you know, the election, we say Nigeria go better.
Nigeria go only better after we declare P2B as a new president. Between 6 months, you will see everywhere will change. This thing that they are shouting that there's no money, there's money everywhere. Between 6 months, bam, you see everything will change. And if we win them, they know announce P2B. Let them prepare for us.
Thank you and God bless you, sir.
Nigerians should vote who they want to vote for.
How about you, sir? P2B, Kwankwaso,
on that day, I will decide who has a better policy for the country. But all I know is I can't be roasting corn, looking for light to roast corn. I can't be living in a strange land, trying to come and govern my land. I should be able to live in my land and decide on what I want to do in my land. Simple. So if you are that wise enough, you should know what I'm talking about.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You can see me. I don't go and withdraw 5,000 naira now. I spend 1,000 naira
from the 5,000 naira.
Because yesterday I don't take food to my family. My wife's angry. Can't even runs me on my bed. I'm angry.
So you say your wife is angry?
Yes, because I can't give you enough money so I used to give him.
So she no feel romance you for bed?
No romance on bed.
Because no money?
Yeah, I've got money. You can't come on kissing. You can see our tree is drying.
Not even kissing?
Not even kissing on bed. You can see our tree is dry because no job, no fuel, no money in the bank. We have everywhere scarce. So we are not happy about our president. So
now Buhari, sir?
Buhari is the problem now.
Buhari is the problem?
Yes. We youth want to take him to court after he's coming down from his tournament. Because tournament is not making us effort.
You will sue Buhari?
Yeah. We will sue him to court.
And the CBN governor?
Yes. Okay. Because we are not happy about the situation of the country now.
Do you have a message for him, sir? You want to tell him something?
Yes, one I want to tell him that he said we change this country for good. We are all young, but we are suffering. We are suffering more than before. The price of rice now, 1 cup is 250. I have 4 issues. I can't even take care of them. So I'm working. Nothing to achieve. I'm not happy.
And the value of the money no get value.
This fucking 5,000 has no value. I don't take 1 bottle of beer now and take my food is finished. So I'm hungry.
So, sir, what's the way forward, sir?
The way forward now, we are praying for a new government to take over this fucking alabosh government we have now. Government without pity to the youth. The youth is getting shit down. I want someone like Peter Obi to rule us in this country so that our youth will be chilling.
We want somebody like Peter Obi?
Peter Obi, because he's a young, preferred young man who can lead the youth forward.
A young, vibrant man?
Yeah, he's a young, vibrant man.
You get PVC, sir?
My PVC is here with me. I will vote it with my family.
Okay, sir.
And knows what is tenable to govern a people. a president that knows and that can listen to the wishes and aspirations of his people.
So who among them do you see? Who do you see the threat in?
By all standard and with all sincerity, Atiku has been tested, and he has proven worthy to be a president.
Atiku is your
and I stand firmly and tall.
Give us the reason why you think Atiku, because looking at this, what Obasanjo said about Atiku, that is not a credible candidate.
That's Obasanjo's personal opinion. Obasanjo himself, when he was in the power, what was he able to do? The little achievement we were able to make during the reign of Obasanjo was the few period he traveled that he left the art of governance for Atiku. Obasanjo's assessment is rubbish because the whole problem even started from Obasanjo. The whole problems we have ascertained, we've gotten all through the democratic, this present democratic. There's no way we can conclude it without making some negative reference to Obasanjo. So Obasanjo coming to say against Atiku shouldn't be relied as a proper assessment.
So you're saying that Atiku is a credible candidate?
Why I'm saying that Atiku is credible is that he is a man that has been tested and proven worthy. Understand? All about with the real economic problems we are facing in the country today. You can think of a man who can bring 1 naira and turn it to 3 or 4 naira. Not a man who will bring 10 naira and turn it to 2 naira.
What will you say of the person like Peter Obi and Tinubu?
Well, Peter Obi is a good economist. Obi and Atiku would have been perfect combination. But the thing is this: one is a mere see, out of to be an artist and to be a theorist are two different things. Obi is a non-theorist. Understand? We don't see him as somebody who can put in practical practice all those things. We know economists and the way they propagate, they propagate their economic theories. He may be good at propagating or proposing those theories, but one thing is to propose, and another thing is to activate and actualize it. Or while we are talking of Atiku is that Atiku is a man that has been tested in different ways that are bordering on economic activities and economic development. And he has achieved greatly in these areas.
So Atiku is the man.
Yes, he's the man.
For president, sir.
For president, Jagaban Baboon.
Why do you say Jagaban? Baboon is Jagaban.
Baboon Jagaban. You know anybody where they call Jagaban?
Na monkey.
No be monkey.
Na monkey. You say Jagaban Baboon.
Jagaban Baboon. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Before that's what you do now. He was Asiwaju of Nigeria.
Asiwaju is a failure.
They say your Asiwaju is
a failure for Nigeria.
He has no capacity.
Oh, now so they talk for Buhari, say Buhari go die. Buhari no die 8 years, don't defend.
But look at the present condition of Nigeria right now. Are you pleased with it? With the current condition that Nigeria are right now.
Condition where Nigeria dey now is kaput. Okay. Kaput. Now we want Asiwaju Bola Ahmed to change next level, upward, no be backward.
He said he's going to start where Buhari stopped. And looking at the situation of Nigeria now.
No, you no talk like that. Because I no talk the thing where this man no talk.
Now the thing where we talk now.
It's say independent Nigeria up front. Up front, no be backward.
No be backward. So now Jagaban, sir.
And then now, as we dey pray for Jagaban, make he enter. Now so we dey tell God, if he enter, God give him wisdom to rule us. Wisdom, because.
So you think Jagaban with all these things when they talk for media, bala bulu bulaba? What's the meaning of bala bulu and bulaba?
If they speak in tongue.
So you say
English speaking tongue.
Which kind of tongue do that one?
If you go church,
is Jagaban a Christian? He's a Muslim now. Why is he speaking in tongue?
Nobody, no religion will not get speaking tongue.
So now Arabic in the talk. Arabic is balabu. A town hall is in Arabic.
No,
so what's the? So people say they know the thing when they talk, you know, they make sense.
Wait, Oga, the thing we will need
now Balablu
to support him.
Yes. So we need to support.
Make God do the rest one for us.
Okay. But God no will come down. God need people like you and me.
Wait. You know, say Gaddafi of Libya is a killer before.
Yeah.
But as he enter Libya, what he do? He change.
The structure Libya.
His structure.
So you want to compare the strength of Tinubu to Libya?
Yes.
Well, you know, Gaddafi started when he was young.
Gaddafi
but now Tinubu is
Gaddafi, the time when they young, is a bad man in Libya. We they don't want it, but God will arrest them. Use her for Libya. That's what God.
But waiting end up, waiting how the end of Gaddafi.
Now people kill her now. Now they know they suffer now. I travel to Libya, I travel to Gabon, I travel to many countries now. I see them as them perform. But our own now, we need prayer.
We need the baboon.
We need baboon with prayer. Nothing with prayer can.
Jagaba. Jagaba on the way.
They come tomorrow.
They come to Port Harcourt tomorrow.
I feel lucky.
Yeah. I want lucky. I feel like funny.
Kibabawa.
Yeah.